Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons by Eric? Yes, as read by Dada. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with four big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no!
Boo.
One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. Did Pete cry?
No.
Goodness, no. Buttons come and
Baba go.
he kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. Did Pete cry?
3.
Did Pete cry?
What 2?
2, yes, yellow 2. Did Pete cry?
What 1? What 3?
Did Pete cry?
No.
No, goodness no. Buttons come and
Baba go.
he kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off cream and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. Did Pete cry?
No.
Goodness no. Buttons come and
Baba go.
buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Did Pete cry?
No.
No. Goodness no. Buttons come and
Bang A.
yes. Buttons come and
Baba go.
buttons go.
Jojo bushy.
Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry?
No.
No, goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and
Baba go.
buttons go.
Baba go.
Buttons go. The end. This has been Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons, as read by
Dada.
And
Jojo.
say bye-bye, Auntie Eve.
Baba Evie.
Can you say thank you for the book?
Teddy.
Okay.